Okay, how many diagonals does a pentagon five-sided polygon have? Again, I didn't change the numbers on this one. I couldn't figure out how to do it. So if I can't figure out how to do it, I'm not going to sit there and require you. I'm sure there's some way to set it up, but I couldn't figure it out. Well, how did I solve it then? Well, I drew a picture. Okay, so we got our five sides, and I'll put dots here to show the separation of the sides. And I start with this one, and it goes there and there. Okay, so that's two diagonals. Now I start with this one and come down here, or come over to here. That's two more, so that's four diagonals. Where am I at? Four. Okay, so this one and come down here, and that's already coming down there. So that's now five diagonals. Let me see, that one's already there. Okay, so five is their answer. Seems like I'm missing. One, two, yeah, five. Again, there's probably some way you can set that as a combination, but I tried different possibilities, and so I'm making a free one. I'm showing the actual problem on this one.